Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to give an update on the missing Print Pression planner. So the last video that I did a haul of Print Pression, closeout clearance planners. They were all B6 in a variety of styles and colors. I'll link to that video in the description box below. I'm missing something. I should have 8 covers, 2, 4. I don't have 8. I was supposed to have a gray snap and a gray elastic and a mauve snap and a mauve elastic. Not only did I not get what I ordered, I got the wrong color. That's never happened before. And I'm missing one. That was on March 27th. Also, I did an update in that video saying that I had contacted Print Pression about the error and that they had reached back out to me. On that same day, I got an order confirmation, which is usually what happens when a company is going to send you something, even if you didn't pay for it. You still get an order confirmation. So I got an order confirmation for 1 classic gray and 1 classic mauve. Now, I didn't need the gray really because they had sent me the black instead. If you remember, if you don't, go check out that video, but they had sent me the black instead of the gray. So technically I was only missing 1 of the planner covers, which was the mauve. Okay, so I got that notice. Then on the 28th, I got my tracking number. And on April 4th, my item was out for delivery and delivered. And I received it. This time I opened it right away because I wanted to make sure what was actually in the box. This is the box. This is how it came. The packing slip says there's a Traveler's Notebook Planner Classic Gray and a Traveler's Notebook Planner Classic Mauve. Now, originally when Print Pression contacted me, they told me that they didn't have any more of the gray. That was why they put the black in. So let's see what we got here. I think this is just like a freebie because of the error. I don't know. It's not listed on the packing slip or anything, but this was the first thing I saw when I opened the box. It is a white cover and it's still the B6 size, same as the others, with the snap closure, which I prefer. So that thing, I think I may have 2 of these now. I'll have to check. Then this is everything else that was in the box. Put that aside for recycling. So I got another black. And I think it's another black with the elastic. So I don't know. I guess this is supposed to be in place of the gray again. So I don't know if they read my email response explaining that I only needed the mauve, which was this one. I don't know why I got another black, and I don't know about the white. But these are the ones that I got, and I feel like I did get a great response in a timely manner. They look okay. They look fine. Yeah. I just still don't understand the colors. This was the only thing that I actually needed. So with that in mind, I guess I'm going to do a giveaway. Let me check my other items. And I don't know why this one's not in a bag. It was just laying on top like that. But let's see what we can do. Okay, so I was correct in remembering that the other black one was the string. So with that in mind, and someone had asked me if the mini happy planner would fit in these, and yes, it does. Fits quite nicely. So there you go. So I'm going to keep this one since I've already put something in it, and I'm actually just going to put it back in the bag. So I already have the black string, and there's no point in me having multiples of the same thing. Let's make sure this is the black one. Yeah. Then these are all the other ones from my original order. So that's the mauve, and this is the new mauve. I'm looking to see if I already have a white. That's the gray. And the black kind of goes with the gray. So this is the white. Yes, I already have the snap closure white. What's the difference? Oh, these are different. Okay. It's not the pebbled, it's like a hashed texture. I don't know what that would be called, but these are all pebbled. Can I put two of these in here together? That's what I'm gonna do, since I don't have a bag for it. All right, so with that in mind, I'm gonna give this one away. To qualify for this giveaway, all you need to do is comment below, and then I'll choose a winner from the comments below. So if you are interested in this, this is a B6 traveler's notebook. It's got the large pocket in the back. It's got pocket here, so you can actually use this with a journal or notebook. Slide it in here. Let's show you an example. You already saw, oops. Okay, you already saw that the Happy Planner fits in there. The mini Happy Planner. This is a B6 notebook, and it slides right in there like that. So you could use a B6 Stalogy with it, or you could use B6 Traveler's Notebooks, notebook inserts with it. You could do the hack and add personal size rings to it as well. So it's pretty flexible on how you can use it. It's vegan leather, pleather, faux leather, however you want to call it. Again, it's B6 size, print pression. So to qualify for the giveaway, just leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.